Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants. Here is where we help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube should notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of this channel by simply hitting that thumbs up when you arrive. All right, so this is always exciting for me when I'm able to find the Ipsy potential products that could have been in our box this month of December. I try to do this almost every month because I'm always so curious. I like to be able to share with you my choices when it comes live. I share with you all my choices and we go through all of the add-ons. And when we have the opportunity to get spoilers, I share those with you too, because like you, I purchase majority of my boxes and that is what I'm always so curious about. So let's get started to see what could have been some of our choices, if they were or if they weren't, in our Ipsy boxes for the month of December. So if you like finding out about spoilers, deals, the brands, informative videos with swatching and all of that, then this is the channel for you. So I really hope that you will support it by simply subscribing. All right, this is the Glam Bag Plus. So this could have been our choices within our selections, starting with the Kate Somerville, the Exfoliate Cleansing Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is a product that I actually am currently using, and if you're an oily skin girl where, you know, acne or things like that are still within your world, which it still is in mine, I cannot believe it, this is a fantastic, fantastic product. Yensa Beauty, this is another one that I'm really enjoying. Yoli Cosmetics, another one, an absolute winner, as well as Rena Beauty. Her lip glosses are spectacular. Then we have from Illuminati Cosmetics. This one has been in Ipsy for a while because I know in a lot of my giveaways, I've had the opportunity, I think, to give this singular palette to at least 4 of my giveaway winners. Then we have from Glamlight, this is the S'mores Highlight and Contour Palette. This was a newer one that was in my selection. It was the Organic Pharmacy. It's the Honey and Jasmine Mask. So this is a new brand, I think, to Ipsy. This is the Firma Beauty All in the Detail set. It is a brush set. Then from Kinship, this was also one of my choices. This was their Lip Jelly Mask. And then from Hip Dot, this was also one of my choices. I think I actually chose this one. It's not Hip Dot, excuse me. This is Shades by Sean. This is the Blush Palette in Plum, Apricot, and Raspberry. Then we have from MOTD Cosmetics, we have the Manifest Face Brush Set. Then from Kimchi Chic Beauty, Went to Miami or Went to Caba. Went to Miami is one that I currently have and it is stunning. Then we have from Alley Oop, and a lot of us had the opportunity to get this in our BoxyCharm as well. This is a stacker where 2 of the shades are these are in creams, actually. You have the choice of a bronzer, a blush, as well as a highlighter. And I have chosen for myself in my other BoxyCharm boxes, the Sunkissed as well as Sassy Pants. Then we have from Refreshments, the Brighten Body Scrub. They're saying in Ginger Snap. Then Farah, this is one that I picked up for myself in the add-ons. This is their Palm Brush. Then from Act and Acre, this is an Intelligent Head Towel. This looks like a really good one. Then we have from Mura, this is their Acting Control Oil and Pore. This also, I think, has the SPF 45. I think this was one of my choices, and it's also a product that I own, and Murad, as you know, is a really fantastic brand. Complex Culture, this is also one that I chose for myself. This is the Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense. I have been enjoying everything from Complex Culture, so I could not resist. This was a hard one for me not to choose because this is a new brand that I am not familiar with, and I usually like choosing the new brand. But I ended up choosing something else. This was also an opportunity in the $12 section in the add-ons to get as well. It is a soft matte primer. It's reminded me a lot of the Tatcha, or the ones that were duped, the Tatcha dupe, like by e.l.f. has it. A lot of brands have it now. Then we have our Sally Beauty. This is the scissors and tweezers. This is also was an option for me. Nude Sticks. This is another one that is absolutely beautiful. This is their tinted cover foundation, so that would have been a good one as well. Violet Voss. This was also one that I've currently have, and it is stunning and perfect for this time of year. It is their olive palette. Natasha Denona. This was one that was one of the first Natasha Denonas that BoxyCharm brought to us. And the color there that looks like the fourth one in that looks like it is a black. It is not. It is more like a midnight blue. It really has a strong blue undertone to it. And this was the Jubilee eyeshadow palette. Stunning. Then we have Higher Education. This would be a new one to us. That is the Grinding Way. It looks like a skin polishing product. Then from Tarte, the Quick Stick. This one, I had a couple of options this time around in my plus. One that they chose for me and one that was in my choice. And I got an option in our PR. So if you want to see what that's all about, make sure to go to the video section of my page, and then you will see all of my current videos right there. Then we have from Aceology. This is a Rose Quartz Gua Sha facial massager. Artist Couture. This is one, like I've mentioned, is a brand that is also an influencer. His products are really, really pigmented and bright and full of fun. And this palette I own, and it is stunning. It is a smaller palette, but the colors on it and the payoff, you need so little. Then Complex Culture. This is their baked bronzer, and you have a couple of options here, and this is also an absolute winner of a product. Then we have from Mahava, which is a favorite brand of mine, and this is their Clearing Facial Treatment Mask. So this would have been nice to have had as an option. I did not try this product yet, but I'm hoping in a future box it'll be an option for me. Then we have from Farah some sponges, and then the MOT Cosmetics. These brushes I got in the PR package, and they're beautiful. Then we have from Lifestyle Company. This looks like a mood perfume. Wonder Beauty, another brand that I really enjoy a lot, as well as their mascaras. I have it in this gold packaging. It's like a tube. And then we have another tube formula from them that is their one in a burgundy package. And that one, the wand has more of a curve to it. From Item Beauty, this is their liquid highlighter. Then from Kate Somerville, this was one of our sneak peeks. It's their acne treatment. This Patchology is a 4-piece matte sheet mask that I also got in the PR package. Then we have Finding this Ferdinand. I don't know this brand at all. This is a lash lift mascara in black. Ciate London, this is one that I've already had in the past that I purchased actually in add-ons when I checked my notes, and it is stunning. And I got it also in the PR package, so that one's put aside for my gifts for later when we do giveaways on my channel. And this one here is stunning. I wore it in that video and we swatched everything. So make sure to watch that PR video. It'll give you really a heads up on a lot of these products. This is the Lucky Chic. This is also one that I've received in the past, and it is stunning. Soleil, this is a really good hair care brand. This is their Miracle Protector Spray. I have not tried this, but I have tried their serums. Kate Berkey, this is another one that is really, really high end. When I got this in my PR package, I thought I only had the opportunity to try their eye cream, which I showed in that video. But when I checked my notes because I keep a spreadsheet of all the products that I have and ones that I give away and things like that. And this one I ended up getting a year ago in a Boxy Luxe. This cream alone is over $115, and the Kate Berkey, to be able to get this brand in our boxes is an absolute treat. LYS Beauty, another fantastic brand, and this is one of their cream blushes. I have not tried their cream formula, but their powder formulas are spectacular. Nelson J. Beverly Hills would be a new brand to me. And then this Caviar anti-aging. This is also, I think, a hair care product from this Alterna. And this was also in our sneak peek spoilers, so we learned a lot about that product. Ciate London, these are their highlighters, and we have it in a couple of colors. I really enjoy Ciate London, and I have a lot of their products. Cab Cosmetics, this is what I ended up choosing for myself in my choices, because I really like the Cab Cosmetics lip oils, so I'm hoping their lip gloss will be one of my good choices. Then we have here from KVD Beauty. I was hoping, because last month I missed out on my Glam Bag Plus because I push up to the Glam X, and I didn't get to get any of those gorgeous blushes that I know a lot of girls got last month, and they weren't even in any of the add-on possibilities, so I'm hoping in the future they will come back. But I did get chosen for me by Ipsy, this KVD Beauty in Light, and I think that would be a perfect match for me, so I'm excited for that. Living Proof, the Perfect Hair Day. This is also a brand that I really enjoy. The Feelist is one that I'm not that familiar with, and this is a facial polish. Truly Beauty. This is one that's also a newer brand that we're starting to see now in in Ipsy, and I'm really excited about that. I'm sure we'll see it in BoxyCharm too. And this is a body butter as well. Then again, we have another Quick Stick, a waterproof, and this one looks like it would be again in two completely different shades as well. So this was always fantastic. I think any product in there would have been an absolute winner in the plus this month. Now let's check out what could have been in our Glam bag. So the Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner, another fantastic product that I get a lot of times in my Glam bag and in a lot of the other shopper bags that I purchase from Ipsy as well. I think it is great. Ciate London, so happy that others will have the opportunity to try so much from their brand because Ipsy has a fantastic relationship with Ciate London, and this is their Wonder Wand mascara. That their mascara wand, this one is very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Elizabeth Mott, I haven't tried any of her brushes, but a lot of her other products I have had the opportunity to try and I really enjoy them. And this is a tapered blending brush, and I love when brushes are in our Glam bags because, as you know, those are full size, and the Glam bag is only supposed to give us 5 deluxe sample sizes. Milk Makeup, and I always share with you about the mascaras, that if you get them in your Glam bag, or if you is an option in the 350 section, that is one that I always recommend because the brush and the formula is the same in these sample sizes as they are in the full size. So it's a nice way to try new mascaras. Then Tatcha. I tell you guys all the time, this is such a fantastic brand, but it is so high end, and I used to pay for this like hundreds of dollars to be able to enjoy Tatcha. You're able to get a lot and you need very little of their products. So if you have the opportunity to spend that $350 on this, these are absolute winners. And if you got them in your bags, I think it is pure luck. Then we have Benefit Cosmetics. This was also one that we saw as a sneak peek. I think this is one of their brow products, and that's what Benefit is known for. Cella, this is such a fantastic brand, and this I have a lot of their quads, so this is always an absolute treat because in their full-size palettes they usually only have 4 colors, and it's usually exactly what we get in these little smaller quads, and these quads will last you a long time, and I love getting the quads in these Glam bag. Pistache Skincare, this is one that I've had the opportunity to try a couple of their products, and I do enjoy it, and this is a product that is made through the pistachio nuts. This Dermatology, this is a Choice Balance Cleanser. This is also a newer brand to Ipsy, and it is one that I've had the opportunity to enjoy. Latte London, this is also one that I just currently got last month, so I'm just starting to play with it now, and so far, so good. Then we have again One Kind. This is also a cleanser that I'm currently using now. This is such a good cleanser, especially if you have sensitive skin. It is really a true like cream type of cleanser. It is really, really a unique consistency, and it is something I'm enjoying right now. This is Christophe Robin. This is in my bag, so I'm excited to have the opportunity to try that. And usually this brand is not in Ipsy, so it's nice to be able to see that. BYROE is another brand that I really enjoy a lot, and this used to only be available on BoxyCharm, but now that Ipsy owns BoxyCharm, we're going to see some of these fantastic brands that used to only be available in BoxyCharm, now in Ipsy. Tarte, this is also one that I shared with you that I have in the full size directly from Tarte. It is one that I enjoy, and it looks like based on our beauty quiz that we put in, this will be the choice of the color that they should choose for you, the right color choice. SL Miss Glam, these are always fantastic brushes that we get in Ipsy. It's always a treat. Clark's Botanicals would be a newer one to me. Gloss Modern is also a newer brand to me. Yensa is a brand that everything that I have tried, I have also really enjoyed, but I don't think I've tried this concealer. So this is exciting that that's in here. Juliet Has a Gun is also one that I've had the opportunity in other bags to get, and it is really a fantastic perfume company. Kensie also, if you like sweet perfumes, this one is the type of brand that I find. Kensie, I know this brand through the clothing side, and from what I'm seeing here on Ipsy, they're really getting into the bath and body fragrance side, so that's really exciting as well. And I have had the opportunity to get in a couple of, through the shopper, in a couple of the bags, I have had the opportunity to get this Kensie fragrance, not this one in particular, but the ones that I've gotten, they've all had that beautiful, like, cake type of sweet scent to it. Nanette Lepore, another perfume. Luna Magic, this was the one in this shade, was also a choice for me in my bag. No, I'm getting it in my bag, actually. They chose for me, but it also was in my PR, and I wore it in the video that I did the unboxing of the PR, because I like to try on as much as I can, especially if the bag or the box, the PR box comes before Choice Day, to be able to give us some more information on the products. And this one was an absolute beautiful winner. Then Polar, this is also a brand that we're starting to see a little bit more in Ipsy. This is, I think, more geared, based on the few that I've had the opportunity to try, more towards dry skin. Then we have from Everyday Volumizing and Lengthening, it looks like from MTU NYC. This is another brand we're starting to see more products from them. So excited when we see Milk makeup in our bags. Everything that I have tried from this brand I have enjoyed, including this mascara. And then that Half Cake Shader Brush is one that is going to be in my bag this month. Then we have here, this is the Rose Tea Eye Cream. This is that one that I showed you in the PR package. I got this little sample of, but I also purchased, chose it for myself in a full size in my GlamX last month, so I was able to share with you about this product. It is more like a gel consistency. It leaves a very cooling effect on your skin. This BYROE was one that we got introduced to from BoxyCharm, this brand. And I love everything about it. A lot of their products, their main concept is that it's almost like they use vegetables. So it's like a salad in a bottle is what I think their claim to fame is. Then Fenty Skin, another one that I was hoping was going to be a choice option for me, because I do enjoy the Fenty Skin brand. We had a couple of options from the Trend Beauty, one of them being this eyeshadow palette, which was so exciting because it was also available in the add-ons for $3.50, which is such a nice way to try an eyeshadow palette. Sophia Mabel, this one was in the PR package. As I showed you, it had a really different type of consistency to it, but it did smell like watermelon. This was one that they chose for me from this Sophia and Mabel, this palette that has a brush and a highlighter in it. So I'm excited to have the opportunity to try that. This Hanalei I've chosen for myself, and I've also got it in some bags. It is a really good balm. First Aid Beauty, always an absolute winner. Everything from their brand, especially if you have sensitive skin, is an absolute winner. I was hoping this was going to be one of my choices because I chose a different eyeshadow palette, and I was really tied between this one and that one. And this one here is, some of you will get in your boxes, but what I ended up choosing was the Bella Pierre. But I really wanted to try the Sophia Mabel, but I didn't even have it as an option in my add-ons, which I definitely would have grabbed it. This Rachel Couture is a newer brand to me. I'm not familiar with it. So if any of these brands you've had the opportunity to play with or try, or you have had the opportunity to use any of the products, and if it's skincare, make sure to leave your skin type, because what might work for me as a combo girl might not work for a dry skin girl, so vice versa. So please, if you have the opportunity to try any of these products, or any of these are in your box that you're excited to try, please make sure to share that in the comments down below, because that's what we are here. We're a community, and it's all about solely here. There's no drama. It's all leads just about the brands, the products, and the deals. That's what this channel is all about. And then the last product that could possibly be in our glam bag was from R&Co, which is a brand that I got introduced to, believe it or not, from FabFitFun. And I really enjoy this brand, but I have never tried their dry volume spray. So all of these products would have been absolute winners. I would have been excited to receive any of them. I love what was chosen for me and what some of my choices were. So I'm excited for the month of December. Don't forget to share in the comments because that is my lifeline to you guys, and that's also your voice as well. All right? Take care, everybody. Continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.